and queens, welcome or welcome back to the channel. It's the girl Anik and K. How you doing or whatever? If you're an oldie but goodie, thank you so much for stopping by. If you are new to this channel, thank you. On this channel I do my budgeting, talk about my personal finances, talking about my future plans with my coins, staying out of debt and getting my life together. And that was right, staying out of debt. Your girl is debt free, and she plans on staying that way as long as possible she could. But for today's video, we are going to be doing my September budget. Yeah, my September 15th budget. This is my first paycheck in September, so your girl is all a little excited. But yeah, as you guys can see, I've already filled out most of this. I just haven't done my leftovers, and yeah, that's basically it. I'm just gonna go through and explain this because my budget doesn't really changes that much. And so I didn't want to do a long video. I'm just gonna explain everything. So I'm gonna zoom you guys in and let's get into it. Okay, y'all, so the first thing is my paycheck. This is paycheck number 1. I don't know why paycheck number 2 is written on there. I used to have this as paycheck number 2, but it is actually paycheck number 1. And so this is paycheck number 1. It is $966.58. That is my regular paycheck, y'all, and it is including this little security, social security tax deferment. I am not here for it, okay? Don't give me a loan. Give me my straight up coins. If that's the energy you on, then stay on that energy. But that ain't it. So, yeah, guys. Right? So yeah, but I got $966.58 for this paycheck. My parents gave me $100 towards the phone bill from my last budget with me, but yeah, I just left my budget as it is and paid everything, and then I just put this $100 on this one. So that's how that is. But now we gonna move down to bills. Actually, that gives me a total income of $1,066.58. Now let's move down to bills. So I only have one bill on my 15th paycheck, which is my first paycheck, and that is to my dad in Jamaica. I just send them this $104 to assist him while he is down there. And so my total for bills is $104. And so I am going to do 1066. Oh, let me zoom out a little bit. Let's do 10. Can you guys see? Yes, 1066.58 minus 104. And that is 962.58. And I'm going to write that in green. 962.58. This is 962.58. All right, then we move down into our envelope section, and now I can zoom you guys in a little bit more. So for our envelopes, most of this is the same. There's one or two things that are not on here, but for majority it is the same. So I have groceries for $200 because we had to increase the budget. Everything's expensive out here. For the second half of the month, we have fuels $25. Here it's getting $40 to make up the $100 that it had along if you add the $60 from my last budget. Toiletries is getting $10. You know, we never know what we might need. House stuff is getting $10. Toilet paper is a little expensive. Personal care is getting $20 because Stella Rose actually. Personal care is now called Stella Rose. That's literally what this cash envelope is for. That's literally the name that is on the cash envelope, Stella Rose. So that's personal care. Spending money is $40 because the girl increased her coins. Going out is $40. That's really staying in. I don't know where I think I was going, but I'm not going anywhere. Health is getting $10 because we never know what medical emergencies might arrive. You know, the little ones. I'm in the military. They take care of your girl. But, if I need a little Band-Aids or things like that, yeah, that's what that's for. And then small businesses is because, Black Friday is coming up. You got to support these small businesses. So I'm trying to get to, build a little bit of coinage until that time. So the total of cash envelope is $405. So what we are going to do, let's zoom out a little bit again. We are going to do the 962.58 minus this 405, 557.58. That's what we have as leftover. So we're just going to write that in this block, 557.58. Then we're going to slide over the sinking fund section and then write that up here, 557.58. Okay, cool beans. So for sinking funds, oh, let me make that straight. So for sinking funds, we have a new base, of course, you know, that is my next duty location when I leave here from South Korea. Car maintenance, good sis, always get her $20 because you know what? She's always a problem. So you got to stay ready for her so you don't got to get ready. Then my birthday is getting the extra 20. I usually do $50 a month for my birthday. I did $30 in my last budget. And so this is my $20 to make up for it. Travel is increased to $75 because, you know, I'm trying to go somewhere and hotel, rental car, and the airfare ain't gonna cost me like, you know, $200 combined. So she had to bump it up. And so this $75 plus my $75 from my last paycheck makes this $150 combined for the month. Next is miscellaneous. Miscellaneous is that girl that kind of gets, you know, what we can fit in. You know, she get in where she fit in. So she's getting $17. Yeah, and that's what we're just gonna go with, $17. Computer, she's getting $5. Then YouTube is getting $5 as well. And so that all of these came up to a combined total of $162. I don't know why I said 162, so weird. So zoom y'all out a little bit, you know, per usual. Zoom y'all out a little bit. So 557.58 minus this 162 is 395.58, and so that is what I'm gonna put in this section. And we're also gonna move it down to leftovers, 395.58. Then minus 100 when we go down to our extra debt, because that is the total of our extra debt, would leave us with 295.58. And so 295 will be our leftover when we go down to extra savings. And then we will do 58 cents towards savings, and then we'll do $2.95 towards the 52-week challenge. And so this is a combined total. It's a combined total of $295.58. And so that would be my leftover of 0. And total income minus 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 will leave you with $0.00. And that, guys, is my budget. So I hope you guys enjoyed this. I try to make this budget as short as possible because I realized these videos were too long. But if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, leave a comment down below, and don't forget to share this video with a family, friend, or a foe. If you like the channel and you like the content here, I hope you will consider subscribing. Again, my name is Anique NK. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!
How you wanna do it? How you wanna get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk. Bad little thing, but she ain't